All right, we're gonna be tearing more into this Wonder Lodge here. Take a look at what's going on with the heads and stuff. All right, we're starting to tear down the head here before it goes into the machine shop. Taking all the accessories off of it and all the moving parts. Use those little clips. Okay, I'm gonna try popping the injectors out. Shouldn't be that. It was moving. G90?
Yeah. You can keep them in order or no?
No, don't matter. A washer under there too. Is that washer broken?
No.
Oh, okay. Let's get replaced.
Oh.
Sorry, put it in there. It's one time use.
Once you pull them out, you gotta replace them.
Heat along that thing and where the threads are at down there. Put it in the vise and try hitting it with a hammer maybe. Well, we're going to try to weld that little larger nut onto the stripped out one under there, and then maybe we can get good grab on it. So I lightly cleaned it up, looking for cracks. Usually the brake clean that you see evaporating on there right now, if there's a crack, usually that brake clean gets down in the crack and makes it kind of obvious. It's pretty pitted. I don't see any cracks though. Crap, it's up against that head. The housing apart. Crispy. I don't think that's been opening straight. This is definitely the head that had the issue. You can see that that one cylinder was the one getting the water in it, how it looks different than all the rest. And then just the crack in between. Well, we tried welding to those broken too, and we couldn't get them. So we're gonna send it to the machine shop where they can put it in a big drill press and drill them out. We don't have a drill press big enough to do that. These are pretty long. Tried welding to them, couldn't get it. It's like the head's just been beat up by that liner banging into it, and maybe that's what caused this to mash out and up. I mean, it may not be an actual crack, but it is raised up and it's a jagged edge on it. See how it's raised and there's little tearaways. And that's down there. Okay, we started cleaning this side up. Everything cleaned up good. All right, so the one head, it passes the initial inspection. We're gonna send it into the machine shop, get it resurfaced and the valves redone on it. And then the other head, I'm just gonna, instead of mess with all that, we're just gonna get a reman head to put on it and not worry about it. It's only maybe $600 more and just be done with it. Shipping's not really gonna matter much because we're already getting a pallet of parts anyways, so it's the shipping's basically paid for. It's coming on the same pallet as everything else, so that's what we're gonna do now and get everything ordered for the rebuild kit on this. We're gonna really check those liner protrusions really closely. Probably that one cylinder was a little bit low. This is the factory build. I don't think this thing's ever been messed with, so this was something that happened at the factory, but it's got low miles on it. It's only got like 80,000 miles or something like that. So it never got abused that much, and I think that was probably a problem from the factory. If this would have been in a truck, that was getting worked every day, it would have shown itself up, under warranty period for the engine probably. But that's where we're at now, so we're gonna get the parts ordered and keep cleaning on stuff here and get ready to go.